Dora is annoying. I literally said that. Nobody kills. Super fast time. Looks like my pencil's gonna broke.
Dito nagsimula. I'm Alex Yala. This is my Milo story. Together, let's energize tomorrow's champions today. Share your Milo story.
Sorry, I was fast.
Hindi pa naman nananalo si Alex Yala.
Nanalo sa elimination, pero yung sa mga malalakas ang kalaban niya. Ito mo sa world ranking, ito nila lang. Yung mga sikat na tournament na sumasali yung mga mahihina, kaya nanalo ko. Pero pagka yung mga top 10, nalalaglag na siya. Mahina ang service.
Penetrates each strand for up to 200% smoother hair. That sways like silk.
Malaking bagay
Sways with sunset.
Kopiko Supremo Puro Kape. Crafted from Supreme Coffee Beans.
But you can actually dot it.
Matapang,
Just like this.
suave. Kopiko Supremo. Matapang, pero suave.
Oh, man of me.
Kaya pala mura. Sayang.
So we are done. I'll get that after yes. Let's cover. Coconut and colors. The paper. Wait guys. Bye. I'm saying bye because the next because the video is gonna end. So it's not anymore. Oh, am I lagging? I think this paper is stupid. I mean, dumb. You can actually comment or subscribe, but I don't have any subscribers. Maybe, but we got the body. I got the I got the arm. Okay, now let's
sa Pandibulacan, sa pagdinig ng Sandigan Bayan, ngayong Miyerkules, kaugnay ng